Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to insert keyboard, mouse and camera symbol in Microsoft Word. I want to insert first keyboard symbol here. Select the font Wingdings and type 7. It will insert the keyboard symbol. If you type the 8 number, it will display the mouse symbol. If you type 9, it will display the camera symbol. You can see here. That's way you can insert keyboard, mouse and camera symbol in Microsoft Word. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.